Potatoes wedges recipe. Let's make 1 potatoes and cut into wedge shape. One cup white flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, oregano as per taste. Add 1 cup water. Boiled potatoes 3/4 mince. Pat dry them. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix it well. Coat well. Deep fry on high heat until golden brown. Must watch full video, don't skip. It's done. So yummy and crispy. Must try this recipe. Served with love. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comments.